Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide embarrassing Steam games from your friends by marking them as private. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu there with several options. Click on Library to access your complete game collection. This is where all your installed and purchased games are displayed, making it easy to manage individual titles. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Find the specific game you want to hide from your friends. Once you've located it, right-click on the game title. This will open up a context menu with various options for managing that particular game. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Manage. When you do this, a submenu will appear with additional management features. From this submenu, select Mark as Private. This option ensures that the selected game won't be visible to anyone viewing your profile or activity feed. After you click that option, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Steam's way of making sure you really want to hide this game from public view. Simply click Mark as Private again to confirm your choice. This finalizes the process for that specific game, and it will now be hidden from your friend's view immediately. Alternatively, if you want to adjust your privacy settings more broadly or prefer a different approach, there's another method you can use. In the upper right corner of the Steam window, click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu with several profile-related options. From this menu, select View My Profile to access your full Steam profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look to the right panel where you'll see various profile management options. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile customization settings. This section allows you to control how your information appears to others on Steam. In the left panel of the Edit Profile page, you'll see several categories. Click on Privacy Settings to access your account's privacy controls. This is where you can fine-tune what information other users can see about your gaming activity and profile details. Now look for the section labeled Game Details. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Private from the available options. This setting controls who can see your game library and playing activity, giving you complete control over your gaming privacy. And that's it, you've now hidden your games from public view using Steam's privacy features, keeping your gaming habits private and personal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.